So welcome back, Alibaba shareholders. And Alibaba will be releasing their results next week already. Yeah. So I would like to make a very quick video for you guys, okay, to know, what are the things that you guys should be aware of, okay, before Alibaba earnings. And I think this is very, very important, okay, to keep track on what's happening, and then you know what to look out for in the upcoming earnings. Yeah. So Q1 2026 earnings, okay, this is the period, okay, that they will be releasing the results, and then on Thursday, 21 August 2025. Yeah, this is the day that they will be releasing. So you will be here, be sharing this video to refresh your memory on what happened on their previous quarters, and then after that, what to focus on, okay, for this upcoming quarter to see whether Baba is improving. Yeah, so I think this is something very important for you shareholders. Yeah, so my name is Daniel Lim. I'm from Better Investing Academy. I'm also a stock investor like you guys, and I'm leading a community, okay, of investors here. You can see these are the members, okay, from Malaysia and Singapore. And you're watching from YouTube, right? So from YouTube, I already have 30,000 subscribers here, and I'm currently leading, okay, a Telegram community group right now. Okay, so let's get started. So how did Alibaba perform last time? Yeah, and if you want a very thorough updates, right, you can just click the playlist in the one I share in under this video. Yeah, I share these two videos here, and it encapsulates a lot, okay, of the research, all my views on Alibaba. If you have the time, okay, feel free to go and watch it. Yeah, if not, you can just stay in this video. I'll give a very quick summary on what's happening. Yeah, so on March quarter 2025 results, where they released on previously May 15, right? And I say, and I told you guys in the video that Alibaba is no longer an e-commerce company already. In the sense that they are still running e-commerce companies, but they will be changing already, okay, their business model into more on AI and cloud service provider right now. Yes, okay, so it will become an AI company and a cloud service provider already. So their previous quarter, you can see, especially I highlighted to you guys, is their cloud intelligence group. Yeah, their cloud intelligence group are the ones the most promising and most potential, and you can see their growth here is very, very fast at 18%. Okay, to a point that if you all still remember, and if you watch the video, right, I mentioned that the cloud intelligence group, this business here, will slowly overtake, okay, their Alibaba International Digital Commerce Group, which is the e-commerce like Lazada international business, right? Yeah, they will overtake soon already. So you can see, yes, okay, their Taobao and Tmall group, which is the e-commerce segment, right? Is growing, yes, but growing at a single digit. Previous quarter grew at 8.7%. Yeah, it's a very tough, very saturated market ready for them in China. International also a lot of competition, right? So let's hope they can still grow. All right, flattish growth like that, okay, for the e-commerce side. Then international, okay, you say it's growing, but they are not growing as fast already. They are declining. Yeah, so they really need to find another segment to grow. Okay, they are the overall revenue. So the one that I want you guys to focus on is this one, the Cloud Intelligence Group, which is the AI and cloud business, and it holds a lot of promise. The one I want to see in the business is accelerating growth. And in previous quarter, they grow 18%, or more precisely 17.7%. You can see they are accelerating. And we see 2.6, 3.4, 6, 7.1, 13.1, 17.7. Yeah, so this is the one that I want you guys to take note for Alibaba. Yeah, and previous quarter, the management is quite bullish on this segment of the business. Yeah, you can see which is the one I want to told you guys. Okay, see, our user-first AI-driven strategy continue to deliver meaningful results with accelerated growth, okay, across our core business. Okay, a well-defined growth portfolio centered on AI and cloud. Yeah, so they already said that there will be a lot of robust demand previous quarter. Okay, Alibaba Cloud's revenue growth accelerated to 18%. This is the one that I showed to you guys. All right. And what else? Okay, and looking ahead, the management told us we expect AI to remain a key driver of accelerated revenue growth for Alibaba Cloud. We continue to see growing demand for cloud AI and an opportunity that will define the next 10 to 20 years. Yeah. So this is the Baba's future potential right now. And in the earnings call previous quarter, they continue to tell us that they are seeing increasing demand for both AI and cloud. Revenue growth continue to accelerate sequentially, seeing what? Surging demand. And they are ramping up their capacity. That means that they are investing a lot in the infrastructure, the data centers. And then they will onboard more customers and accelerate our business growth. We are executing with speed and precision to capture the substantial opportunities ahead in the AI era. And next one, which is the one I want to tell you guys. Okay. Then the management also told us if you see our business in January, February, March, right, is growing sequentially. The next quarter, which is this upcoming quarter, will grow even faster. This is what they say. You see, I think if you look at the quarter after the spring festival, which is the Chinese New Year period, right, then you certainly do see a lot of new customers, a lot of new demand rising. So I think, okay, what you are going to see next for the next few months is a lot of large scale adoption. So not just in February and March, but through April and May, which is the next quarter, which is this upcoming quarter. I hope you all don't get confused. Okay, April and May, I think the surge they are seeing in the demand growth is representative of and closer to what you can expect to see as a regular pace of growth going forward. So they will be growing quite fast. So let's see. Okay, this upcoming quarter, will there be a faster growth because of this? Yeah. Okay. So next, move on. So what Alibaba must continue to prove? Okay, what must they continue to prove this upcoming quarter? Now, before I move ahead, I want to share with you guys that BIA, okay, sometimes we do create or do organize free stock sharing sessions for our Telegram community inside. Yeah, on this next Wednesday, 20 August 2025 at 9 p.m. Yeah, so like for example, here you can see I already made an announcement, okay, to our community members here. So we'll be sharing what? We'll be sharing 2 powerful stocks, okay, from our own personal watch list. Yeah, and one of the stocks is undervalued, and one of the stocks is fairly valued, okay, but both these stocks here will continue to grow, okay, for many quarters to come. Okay, we have seen a lot of signs there. Yeah, so if this is something that you want, okay, do click the link, the Telegram link down below, join, and then click here to register. Yeah, and then block your date and time for next Wednesday. Then okay, you can come and attend. It's a Zoom session. All right. Okay. So if you have been watching this video after the Wednesday, then sorry lah. That means the session is already over. Okay. But for those of you who watched earlier before that, please click the Telegram link, go here, join, and then register. All right. Okay. Let's move on now. So what Alibaba must continue to prove is this. They must continue to re-accelerate their growth to total growth, not only the cloud business, to 10 to 15% per year. Okay, especially the cloud business, they must really grow faster already. And I've been saying this since last year, December 2024. And so far, Alibaba has been performing quite well. Okay, has been executing as what they said in each quarter. So I'm quite hopeful that next quarter they are able to deliver. Yeah, and it's also some good news, okay, that we can see from Tencent, because AI has also helped them to grow their business. Yeah, Tencent post earnings beat as AI, okay, voice game and ad businesses, right? AI search and in short, their business is being supported by AI. That means the AI trend right now, I can see in China, they are growing. They are growing, and then Alibaba is riding on it right now. Yeah, and what Tencent said right here, Shenzhen-based Tencent, one of China's largest technology behemoth, was able to grow its sales and profitability because we invested in and also benefiting from utilizing AI. AI has become an increasingly important driver of growth. So even Tencent can start to use it already. So there's a lot of companies, a lot of the SMEs in China will start adopting AI. And then imagine when you invest in Alibaba, Alibaba is the one creating the AI softwares, AI algorithm, and data centers to support the AI processing and stuff. So they are one of the beneficiary for this upcoming trend. To a point, you can see Tencent, okay, AI is so important to them. In their transcript, the latest quarter on 13 August, right? They mentioned AI 71 times here. So you can see just how important it is right now, okay, AI for the companies in China. Yeah. So it's good to see that Tencent, I both compare with Alibaba the same period, 28 August 2022. You can see Tencent, because the business has been growing very well, accelerating. So the market prefer Tencent for now, again, as opposed to Alibaba. Tencent has already grown 210%. Alibaba still grow, but for now it's only 90%, and it's still very, very cheap in my opinion. So if you want Alibaba to perform, the stock price like Tencent, then Alibaba must show the same results so that they can inspire the same confidence that Tencent has give to their shareholders. Yeah. So what I want to show you is what I meant is this, because Tencent, you can see this is the revenue growth. Okay, Tencent is already very big, but yet they can still continue to grow. You can see for the past 1 year, you can see for the past three quarters, they are growing. Remember when I said I want Alibaba to continue to grow above 10%, 10 to 15%? This is what Tencent has been able to prove. Okay, they're declining, but then they re-accelerated 7.4, 8.4, 10, 11.7. Yeah. So, but Alibaba currently right now still quite flattish. Yeah. Then Another thing is the gross profit margin. Tencent's business is incredible. Okay, you can see their gross profit margin keep on increasing one. Because the business keep on growing, their business getting more and more profitable. That's why they can increase the margin. But hey, some good news for Alibaba also, not to say that they are in decline, they are also slowly increasing the margins. So when you see a company accelerating growth and also the margins increasing, that's when stock investors will take note. Stock investors will start to believe in the company, have more confidence in the company, then that's when there will be more demand, okay, for the stock. That's why you can see for Tencent, it's a very stable business, okay, growing well, gross profit margin increasing. That's why to a point that the market are willing to bid up their multiple, the price to sales ratio. Currently, right now, the market is willing to pay 7 times, okay, of the revenue for Tencent, as opposed to Baba, 1.95 times or 2 times only. So market currently right now is still assessing Baba's business. All right. So if you want the market to be willing to pay such a high multiple, that means the price will increase in the future, right? So Baba must continue to prove. Yeah. But currently right now, if you have been watching my videos, I see Baba has been executing very, very well. Okay, very, very well so far. Okay, but just that the market has not seen Baba's potential yet. Yeah. So you watching this video here, you get first-hand information first. Yeah. So that's why I say, you see, they are Tencent accelerating already. Baba haven't yet. And then the gross profit margin of Tencent keep on increasing. And Baba just started to increase. So that's why the market saw Tencent's growth first. That's why the price continued to go up. Now we are waiting for Baba. Right? So upcoming quarter is very, very important. Yeah. So Baba must re-accelerate the growth to 10 to 15% per year. Very, very important. And for us to continue to take note of their cloud and AI business. Okay, of course, there are other segments. Please continue to stay flat, okay, or some slight growth lah. But the most important, AI and cloud business. So this is the next quarter that we need to take note of, okay, and continue to keep track on it lah. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. So remember, okay, on our Telegram community next Wednesday, we'll be covering two powerful stocks here. It's a Zoom session, okay, on 9 o'clock. Let me repeat that. So free stock sharing session, Wednesday, 20 August 2025 at 9 p.m. And of course, if you want to get first-hand immediate updates on Alibaba, do join the Telegram also, because sometimes I don't have time to make the video. So I do a very quick update in the Telegram. So let's say, for example, like ASML, right? I rarely make video for that. So I just give a summary on ASML, what happened, and then I will give my views, okay, on what happened in their financial results. I'll just write it out like that. So immediately at the time, okay, you can just immediately know what happened to Alibaba already. So I think I will provide a written one, okay, immediately to you guys on what happened to Alibaba. All right. So thanks guys again for watching, and I can't wait to share with you guys Alibaba's results in Telegram, okay, upcoming. So thanks for watching and see you guys again soon.